What are the top 8 ways ChatGPT can help hybrid RV owners have a better camping experience? ChatGPT can significantly enhance the camping experience for hybrid RV owners in numerous ways. Here are the top 8. 1. Route planning. ChatGPT can help plan efficient routes, considering the specific capabilities and limitations of hybrid RVs, and suggest scenic routes or RV-friendly roads. 2. Campsite recommendations. It can provide recommendations for campsites that accommodate hybrid RVs, including details on amenities, availability, and booking procedures. 3. Local attractions and activities. ChatGPT can offer information about local attractions, hiking trails, and activities near the campsite, tailored to the interests of the campers. 4. Meal planning and recipes. It can suggest easy and delicious recipes suitable for an RV kitchen, considering limited space and resources. 5. Maintenance tips and troubleshooting. ChatGPT can offer guidance on routine maintenance of hybrid RVs and help troubleshoot common issues that might arise during a trip. 6. Weather updates and safety tips. Providing real-time weather updates and safety tips based on the current location to ensure a safe and comfortable camping experience. 7. Community connections, suggesting online forums and communities where hybrid RV owners can connect, share experiences, and get advice from fellow enthusiasts. 8. Emergency contacts and procedures, providing a list of emergency contacts, including nearby mechanics who are familiar with hybrid RVs, and guidance on emergency procedures relevant to the area. By leveraging ChatGPT for these aspects, hybrid RV owners can enjoy a more streamlined, informed, and enjoyable camping experience. If you'd like to get a free account and check ChatGPT out, just to this link and sign up: https://chat.openai.com/auth/login.